Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little bit different. I am doing a hair tutorial on a product that I was gifted by Temu. I want to thank Temu for partnering with me on this video. I will be showing you a 7-in-1 tool. I hope you enjoy. Let's get into it. Hello and welcome to my bathroom. We're gonna play with this baby here, which is the 7-in-1 styling tool. Instructions, a heat glove. This is the tool. And then we have all the different attachments. This is the blow dryer, lock and unlock function here. We've got the air wrap barrels, one for each direction. And there are arrows on the top to tell you which direction, if you want your hair to move back or if you want it to move forward. There's a concentrator, 2 different brush options, and a diffuser. I don't always like to wear my hair blown out. Sometimes I like to really concentrate on the curls. Let me know if you want to see a demo with that. I'm going to start with the left curling barrel. Just pulled up some of my hair so that I can do it in layers. And you can do this from wet. I would just use the blow dryer to blow it out, or yesterday I used this brush. I have my little water squirter, also from Temu, because you want to wet the hair a little bit. I also have some thermal protectant spray. It's got coconut oil in it. This is going to protect my hair. And it smells good. This top button controls the heat. The next button controls the force of air. And then we have the power button. I have this fluffy volumizing hairspray from Temu. Now for the other side, I will just make sure it's a little bit damp. I'll switch the barrel. You'll notice when it turns on that if I hold my hair down here and put the barrel there, it automatically wraps a little bit easier. This is awesome. I will have everything listed and linked in the description box below. Be sure to subscribe. Have a great one.